Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever learned English words from a textbook, then tried to use them in real life, but they sounded strange, robotic, or even outdated? You're not alone. The truth is, real people don't speak like textbooks. They use natural, simple phrases in daily conversation. Phrases like, "What's up?" "No worries. That sounds good. I'm not sure. Let me think about it." These expressions are short, friendly, and powerful, and if you want to sound fluent and confident, you need to use them naturally. That's why in this video, I'll teach you 30 of the most common English phrases used in everyday life. Not just vocabulary, but real useful English you can say at school, at work, with friends, in stores, online, or even when you're just thinking to yourself. What you'll learn today: 30 real phrases used by native speakers, clear meaning plus example for each one, how and when to use them. Practice tips so you can start speaking today. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, this video will help you build real fluency, one phrase at a time. So get your notebook ready, practice with me, and let's make your English more natural. Together. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. 10 Common English Phrases for Everyday Use. Let's start with the first 10 common English phrases that you can hear almost every day and use right now. Each one includes a clear meaning and a real-life example to help you speak naturally. Phrase 1, "What's up?" Meaning, a casual way to say, "How are you?" or "What are you doing?" Example: A, "Hey, what's up?" B, "Not much, just relaxing." Phrase 2, "No worries," meaning don't worry about it, it's okay. Example: A, "Sorry I'm late." B, "No worries, I just got here too." Phrase 3, "Sounds good," meaning that's a good idea, I agree. Example: A, "Let's meet at 5 p.m." B, "Sounds good." Phrase 4, "I'm not sure," meaning I don't know, I'm unsure about something. Example: A, "Is she coming today?" B, "I'm not sure, she didn't text me." Phrase 5, "Let me think about it," meaning I need time to decide. Example: A, "Do you want to go to the party?" B, "Let me think about it and I'll let you know." Phrase 6, "I'm just kidding," meaning I was joking, don't take it seriously. Example: A, "You're late again." B, "I'm just kidding. You're always on time." Phrase 7, "That's a good one," meaning that was a funny joke or clever comment. Example: A, "Why did the tomato turn red?" Because it saw the salad dressing. B, "Haha, that's a good one." Phrase 8, "Take your time," meaning no rush, go at your own speed. Example: A, "Sorry, I need a few minutes." B, "It's okay, take your time." Phrase 9, "I'm in," meaning I agree, I want to join. Example: A, "We're going to the beach this weekend, you coming?" B, "I'm in." Phrase 10, "It doesn't matter," meaning it's not important, it's okay. Example: A, "Should we watch a movie or a series?" B, "It doesn't matter, you choose." Practice. Tip: after each phrase, pause the video and repeat it out loud. Say the full sentence from the example. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Part 2. 10 more everyday English phrases, 11 to 20. Great job on learning the first 10 phrases. Now, let's continue and learn 10 more useful English expressions. These are phrases you'll hear in real conversations, at work, school, with friends, or online. Let's keep going. Phrase 11, "That makes sense," meaning I understand now, that's logical. Example: A, "He didn't come because he was sick." B, "Oh, that makes sense." Phrase 12, "You're welcome," meaning a polite way to reply when someone says thank you. Example: A, "Thanks for helping me." B. You're welcome. This phrase never goes out of style. Always useful. Phrase 13. No way, meaning expresses surprise or disbelief, both positive or negative. Example 1. Positive. A. I just won free tickets to the concert. B. No way, that's amazing. Example 2. Negative. A. Did he really say that to the teacher? B. No way, I can't believe it. Phrase 14. I don't get it, meaning I don't understand. Example. A. This math question is so hard. B. Yeah, I don't get it either. Use this phrase when you're confused. It's honest and common. Phrase 15. It's up to you, meaning you decide. It's your choice. Example. A. Should we eat at home or go out? B. It's up to you. This phrase is very common when giving others the freedom to choose. Phrase 16. I've got your back, meaning I'll support you. I'm here for you. Example. A. I'm nervous about the presentation. B. Don't worry, I've got your back. Great phrase to show trust and support in friendships or teamwork.